Okay, this lovely little group is Icebreakers. Last litter. Hi, this lovely little one right here is a wee girl. Yes, hi darling. And Mommy's showing them off. Yes, you're gonna show them off. Right? So this your little lovely baby, little cub is a female. Yes, and you are beautiful. Yes. And this lovely little one right here is also a little girl. These kittens have very, very, very beautiful little markings. Everybody's got lovely rosettes. Here we are. Yes, it's a little girl here and here. And we have one little boy. So this is, he's a beautiful kitten show quality boy. Be a remarkable little fella. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. You gonna look up at me? Hi there, monkey. Hello. Hello. So this is Maverick and Icebreaker's litter, and we are really, really pleased with them. There's Mama. There's Mama. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. She's up for retirement now. So we'll be looking for a home for her also. Very beautiful girl, golden toned girl. And anyways, this little one is finally turned over for us. You can actually get a look at her beautiful little markings. All the kittens are highly rosetted. And there's this. Hi, baby. This other little girl. We didn't get your face, sweetheart. We didn't get your face. You gonna look up at me? Hey. Hey. You are being shy? Are you being shy? Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Come on, look up at me. Well, we've seen your faces. Both of yous. You don't want to look at any of us. Hey, look. Hi, sweetie. Oh, what a face. Hi. Yes. There's all the little cubs. Anyways, spectacular little litter. We're very, very pleased with them. Absolutely gorgeous. There they are. Well, somebody's going to start playing now. Yeah, somebody's going to start playing.